today's video is Olivia Joy Racing. So guys, papasok na tayo sa loob at kukuha tayo ng number natin at pangalan natin. Hahanapin natin ang table natin. Okay, table number 9 na ako. Okay, let's go. Where's the dance? Ayan po. Po si Olivia Joy. First birthday niya, tapos sabay binyag na din. Cover muna tayo kasi mamaya medyo busy na din to, kaya uunahan na natin sila. Maraming pong tao. First table number 9.
Ay! Buhat ka na po. Buti siya naman. That's good naman. Ay, ulitang na yan. Sige.
Ano muna tayo? Ikot-ikot muna tayo. Saglit.
Kasi I'm thinking of getting the princess, the unicorns out my when they finish, we can start the video.
Get it right when the time comes. Can you imagine if I started singing the wrong song? How embarrassing that would be? I don't want to do that. Okay, this is weird. Reminds me of my castle. I like the visual.
Okay guys, thanks for watching and bye. Love you all.